soldering. So for today's video, ang ipapakita naman namin ay tweezers. So we have different kinds of tweezers. So first is the stainless. We have TS13 and TS12. Next is we have ESD tweezers. We have two brands, Kingston and Vitus. We also have cross-locking tweezers. Straight tips help access your work effectively and heat resistant. Fiber grips protect your hand from heat while soldering polished stainless. Steel tips firmly hold without contaminating, and the cross-lock mechanism opens when pressed, closing snugly when released to grip objects securely. Function: jewelry tweezers, type of tip, pointed. Material: stainless steel. Surface treatment: processed in high temperature and planting anti-static material. Type of tip, pointed. Next, we also have Kingston. Kingston. We have 7A and 2A. The tweezer is made of non-corrosive stainless steel. We have Vitus brand, ESD10 and ESD14. Next is we have ceramic tweezer. We have economy and ceramic tweezer. Next is we also have bamboo tweezer. Next is we also have anti-static plastic tweezer. Anti-static plastic tweezer is made from special static dissipative engineering plastic that has combined durability and anti-static properties. And lastly, we also have Kingston ESD set. So, what is tweezer? A tweezer is a small tool used for picking up objects too small to be easily handled with the human finger. It is usually made of metal and has two levers joined at one end, which are manipulated with the fingers to grip or release an object. Tweezers are often used for tasks such as plaiting hair, manipulating small objects, or in a scientific and medical application. Some common uses for tweezers. Tweezers have a wide range of uses in various fields. Here are some common uses for tweezers. First, personal grooming. Tweezers are commonly used for plucking eyebrows, removing unwanted facial hair, or extracting splinters. Second, electronics and precision work. Tweezers with fine pointed tips are used for handling small electronic components such as placing or removing tiny surface mount devices on circuit boards. Third, medical and first aid. Tweezers are used for removing splinters, thorns, or foreign objects embedded in the skin. They can also be used for dressing wounds or applying sutures. Fourth, arts and crafts. Tweezers are handy for picking up and placing small beads, sequins, or other embellishments in art and crafts projects. Fifth, jewelry making. Tweezer-rich specialized tips such as flat or curved tips are used for handling small gemstones, beads, or delicate jewelry components. Six, etymology. Tweezers are used by entomologists for handling delicate insects or specimens during scientific research or insect collection. 7. Watch making. Tweezers with fine pointed tips are used in making for assembling and repairing small watch components. 8. Laboratory work. Tweezers are used in laboratories for handling small samples, transferring substances, or manipulating delicate materials during experiments. These are just a few examples, and tweezers have many other applications depending on the specific needs of different industries and hobbies. There are different types of tweezers available for specific purposes in the electronic field. In the electronic fields, there are different types of tweezers available that are specifically designed for various purposes. There are some common types of tweezers used in electronics. First is fine pointed tweezers. These tweezers have sharp, fine, and pointed tips. They are ideal for handling small electronic components such as surface mount devices, tiny wires, or delicate parts that require precision and accuracy. Second, serrated tweezers. Serrated tweezers have small serrations or grooves on the inner surface of the tips. This provides a better grip on the components, preventing them from slipping during handling. They are useful when dealing with small, slippery objects. Third, reverse action tweezers. Reverse action tweezers, also known as self-closing tweezers, have a spring mechanism that keeps the tips closed when not in use. They are convenient for repetitive tasks and provide a firm grip on components while reducing hand fatigue. Fourth, curved tweezers. Curved tweezers have tips that are bent at an angle. They are useful for reaching and handling components in tight or hard to reach areas on circuit boards or electronic devices. 6. Wafer handling tweezers. Wafer handling tweezers are designed specifically for handling delicate silicon wafer sheets used in semiconductor manufacturing. They have smooth, non-serrated tips to prevent damage to the wafer. 6. ESD safe tweezers. Electrostatic discharge. Safe tweezers are made from materials that discharge static electricity, preventing damage to sensitive electronic components. They are essential for handling static sensitive devices to avoid electrostatic discharge. These are just a few examples of the different types of tweezers used in the electronic field. The choices of tweezers depends on the specific requirements, the task, and the type of components being handled. So that's it. Ito nga po pala ang different kinds of tweezers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.